Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am very proud to show you this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Now, I do not know if this car is an actual Super Sport or not. It has all the right equipment on it. It has a 454 engine underneath the hood. It is a 400 turbo transmission. This car is absolutely gorgeous. It's been fully restored. It's a super solid car. As you can see, it is red with black stripes, black vinyl top. Car is very, very nice. 12-bolt rear end, new gas tank. It does have the sway bar in the back. All new exhaust on this car. I see that exhaust hanger on this side is broke. We need to fix that. This car runs and drives amazing. Beautiful car. Look at the body lines on this car. There's your door gap on the front. There's your door gap on the back. What a very, very nice car. Black vinyl top is in excellent shape. And on the back here, you can't see any, a lot of times the vinyl tops, you see rust bubbles popping through on this, on these cars with the vinyl tops. There's none of that going on this car. Just a very, very nice 1972 Chevelle. Look at the paint on this car. The paint is very, very slick on this car. The body is very nice. All your gaps, all your fitment on your panels is very nice. Hood lines up very well. Does have the hood pins. It is a functional cowl induction hood on this car, and it does work. SS 454 emblems on it. It's got the correct rally wheels on it. BF Goodrich, radial TA, white letter, raised white letter tires on this car. All your door seals all the way around are in excellent shape. Look at the bottom of the doors. Very, very nice. You can see all the factory spot welds on those doors. Your door jambs look very nice. Your sill plates are excellent. The carpet and the interior, the seats, the dash, everything on the interior of this car is very, very nice. All your seat belts are in your back seat, so you can take all the munchkins to get ice cream and out to the movies maybe. Your rear panel there, it's got two 6x9 speakers in it. It does have a retro radio in it. Like I say, the dash pad is very, very nice in the car. No cracks or breaks that I see anywhere. It's got the SS steering wheel on it. Black bucket seats, center console with the horseshoe shifter. Door panel, door cards are in excellent shape as well. There's your door jamb on the inside. This is just a very, very nice car. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning are the options on this car. Black vinyl top. Beautiful, beautiful 72 Chevelle. Really doesn't get any better than a 70, 71, 72 Chevelle. These cars are iconic muscle cars. Everybody loves them. Every time you drive one of these cars out of the street, everyone knows what they are. The glass is in very, very good shape on this car. All the stainless and bright work around the windows, that looks great as well. The bumpers are in good shape. Inside the trunk looks great. I'll open that up here for you. I have the key in my hand. We'll open that up, show you the inside of the trunk. There it is. It's got the factory spackle paint in it. Does have a kind of a trunk mat in it here. Spare tire jack, all that's there and complete. Inside the trunk is painted up very, very nicely as well. It's not just the outside that got attention on this car. The inside got attention, the jambs got attention, new trunk seal on it. I'm really not sure how long this car has been restored. It came from a very good home. It looks like it was restored this year. I mean, it's just that nice. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters down on the bottom of the doors that I can see anywhere. The paint on this car is very, very nice. It's a very quality car. Very, very high quality car. If you want to get technical, couple little dimples here in the paint. If you really look close, you can't even see them. If this car's outside, you'd never see any of that. But I am underneath these bright LED lights. But I'm telling you, this car is absolutely gorgeous. I'm the one that tells you if I see anything on the car that I think you should know about, you will know about it. Has one tiny little crack right here. I don't know if you can see this, but right here where this little Chevelle, right about the E in the Chevelle, it's got one little tiny little crack in the paint right there. That's how we are around here at Kenyon Classic Cars. I'm very honest with you on all these cars. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every single day. I have no reason to lie about any of our cars. They're very, very good cars. They're quality cars. I don't buy cars that are junk. I buy really nice stuff. That way we can sell nice stuff. As you can tell, you can look at all my inventory. We really, really do our very best here at Kenyon Classics to bring you the best inventory possible. I search for these cars high and low everywhere. Your door jambs, your sill panels, your sill plates, I mean, inside door jambs. This does have the round gauges in the car, factory tack dash. Dash lights work. Goes in reverse, goes in drive just like it should. Left turn signal, right turn signal, bright headlight indicator. The horn is not working. The wipers work. It's got this antenna right there in the center of the windshield. The radio lights up, it works like it's supposed to. Blower motor works. I'm not sure about that cigarette lighter. Nice glove box. Your center console lid. All that stuff's intact, in great shape. I want to turn signals back on so I can show you that the turn signals work. Marker lights, tail lights. License plate light works. There's your right turn signal. Look how beautiful and straight this car is. Body and paint on this car are second to none. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, disc brakes up front. Sway bar front and rear. Open the hood here a second. There it is. Steering, brakes, factory air. The air conditioning compressor, the belt is not on there right now. I need to do some investigating and see if that AC compressor is bad or what the deal is with it. There's your right turn signal is on and working. Very, very nice car, everybody. What a beautiful ride. The door jambs, the gaps, the alignment, everything on this car is just gorgeous. There's your left turn signal. I had to shut this car off. I got it closed off in here. I don't want to gas myself out. You know, these muscle cars run. They're not like a Toyota Prius running in here. There's your back turn signal, left turn signal on the back. It works too. Just a great car, everybody. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinyonAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N, auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade muscle cars, classic cars every single day. Give us a call. We have 100 plus cars in inventory. We really can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching all our videos. Don't forget, follow us on YouTube, Kenyon Classic Cars. Subscribe to our channel, and you will never miss a muscle car that we get in stock. We have a lot of cars